Being able to quickly identify your vehicle's problems saves both time and money. OBD2 scanners provide you with the necessary information by reading fault codes on vehicles. Today, we will review the best OBD2 scanners of 2025: Innova CarScan Pro Model 5610, BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro OBD2, Autel MaxiCom Scanner, Motopower OBD2, and Launch CRP123X Elite. Which model is right for you? Let's get started. First on our list is the Innova CarScan Pro Model 5610, a suitable option for both professional and amateur users. Features: read and erase codes for engine, transmission, ABS, and SRS systems, live data stream monitoring. It is also very comprehensive with active testing and biological directional control features. Performance: extremely comfortable to use with 3.5-inch color display and detachable cable design. Wide vehicle compatibility and works with most models. Ideal for who? Suitable for both amateur and professional users. BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro OBD2 is a car scanner fully compatible with mobile devices. Features: connects to your phone via Bluetooth and is compatible with Android and iOS devices. You can perform all scanning operations via the free mobile app. Performance: provides car-specific repair reports and performs emission tests. Provides real-time data. Ideal for who? Ideal for users who want easy-to-use, mobile-friendly, and comprehensive reporting. Autel MaxiCom Scanner is a tool scanner that offers professional-level functionality. Features: more than 28 specialized service functions: oil reset, EPB, SAS, BMS, DPF, IMMO, TPMS, and code reading and erasing for all systems. Performance: easy to use with 7-inch touchscreen. It provides fast performance with Android 11 operating system and fast processor. Ideal for who? A great option for those who want professional use and comprehensive analysis. Motopower OBD2 Scanner stands out with its user-friendly features. Features include code reading and erasing, live data stream monitoring, and hardware information. It also supports 6 languages. Performance: 2.8-inch LCD screen with white backlight provides a clear image. Lightweight and portable, it can be easily transported. Ideal for who? Perfect for users looking for budget-friendly and easy operation. Launch CRP123X Elite is a versatile and powerful OBD2 scanner. Features: offers 7 specialized service functions such as code read and clear, oil reset, EPB, SAS, BMS, DPF, IMMO, and TPMS for engine, transmission, ABS, and SRS systems. Performance: user-friendly with a 5-inch touchscreen. You can receive updates via Wi-Fi connection. Ideal for who? Ideal for users who want to analyze various vehicle systems.